In today's video, I will walk you through how to start page numbering from specific page in Google Docs. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Google Docs is available through your web browser by visiting the official Google Docs website and signing in with your Google account. Once you are inside the document editor, open the file you want to work on. This method is useful when you need a clean layout for reports, essays, or any document where the first pages should not show numbering. Move through your document and decide where the page numbers should actually begin. This is often at a section like an introduction or main content. Place your cursor at the very start of that section so the change applies correctly from that point onward. Next, you need to separate this part of the document from the previous pages. Open the Insert menu at the top, go to Break, and choose Section Break. This creates a clear division so the formatting can be controlled independently. After that, add page numbers. Go back to Insert, select Page Numbers, and pick the standard format. At this stage, the numbering will appear across the entire document, which is expected for now. To adjust this, move into the header area of the section where numbering should start. Look for the option labeled Link to Previous and turn it off. This breaks the connection between sections, so the numbering can restart independently. Then, open the page number settings and set the numbering to begin at 1. Apply the changes to update the document. Your page numbers will now start exactly from the section you selected, giving the document a more structured and professional layout. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.